Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming your iPhone has a fingerprint sensor and that you know your passcode. Open Settings, tap Touch ID and Passcode, then enter your passcode to unlock options. Tap Add a Fingerprint to start enrollment. Place the pad of the finger gently on the sensor and lift repeatedly so the phone captures edges and center. Do this now. The phone trains on different contact points so it can reliably recognize you later, which is why initial variety matters. Once the first scan's complete, continue by rotating and repositioning your finger to capture different angles and pressure levels. This improves match accuracy. Add a second or third fingerprint. Your dominant thumb and index finger are practical choices for daily use. Make sure to enable the features you want to protect, like iPhone Unlock, Apple Pay, and iTunes and App Store within the same Touch ID settings. Also, wipe moisture or oils from the sensor and finger to prevent poor reads during enrollment. You're almost done. Test unlocking the phone and using Apple Pay or app purchases to confirm the fingerprint works across features. Next, set or confirm a strong fallback passcode. It's required if Touch ID ever fails. Restart the iPhone to ensure the biometric service initializes cleanly. If the sensor struggles, clean both the sensor and your finger, remove screen protectors or cases that interfere, then delete and re-register the fingerprint. If problems persist, update iOS or visit Apple support for hardware diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.